Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko. I'm sending my greetings to all my brothers and sisters out there, and sending my blessings and my prayers to all my brothers and sisters who are watching, or the family of Prince Ayoko. So in today's video, it's going to be something different. We are into something different about today's video, and it's all about the underground water tank. That is what I'm talking about right now. So if you can recall, if you can remember, I told you some time ago that this particular underground water tank is going to be a 4-in-1 project. 4-in-1. So now, to some of you who heard me say this in my previous videos, I think you will get clearer understanding with regards to what I was saying. So the whole thing is that the carpenter has finished yesterday. The carpenter has finished yesterday, and we have to call him back to come and take off the frame on the side, because we have realized that the steel bender has to fix on all these metals, all these beams, pillars, reinforcement pillars, before the carpenter come back and then make the frame. So these particular pillars that you see, this is not even the length of it. We're still going to increase it. And the reason is that when the project is finished, we'll have an underground water tank, and the top part of it will be a place where people will sit to chill or to just relax. And the top of it is going to be some simple one-bedroom apartment, just some simple one-bedroom apartment. And the top part of it, we are going to mount poly tanks at the top. These particular poly tanks are kind of water storage containers that we use on our showers and on our kitchens. So the steel bender, Master Yahya, is here. That is Kasule, as we call him. Kasule is here. Brother Kasule is here, busily mounting the pillars. And big brother Azoyiri is also here. Jambora. So this is what they are doing today. They are fixing on the pillars, such that they will be able to finish the iron works on the top, as well as the pillars and everything, before we cast the concrete. So this is just the beginning of everything. When this project is finished, I think people will really understand exactly what we're doing. And I'm so happy that I have these people who are also very talented, who are working with my plan that I've created, and who are adding so much ideas into it and just making it happen. So it's just about work and nothing else. As you can see, Kasule is busily doing his iron works, binding the irons together with this binding wire. We call it binding wire. So this particular project, this will be the entrance to the seatway. Like, this will be the entrance to, it's more like a terrace, but it's more like a terrace. So this will be the entrance when it's finished. So it's going to be amazing. This thing is going to be amazing when it's finished. There's a lot of things that when I talk about it, I am even, you know, wondering where I got this plan. And you know, it's kind of natural gifted, because I just wake up one day and said that I'm gonna build an underground water tank, and so far this is what the plan has been, you know, going through. Everything is going through very well, and everything is going through perfectly. So as you can see, this is how everything is. This is how everything will go. And Yahya, I'm talking about the steel bender, has made this. So this is the beams that he has created. So he's here to, you know, fix them into their positions, and everything will be, you know, perfect. So far I can say so good. So far so good. Yep, everything is going through very well, and everything is going through in the right direction. Yeah, Kasule is checking it and making some calculations on his head. So yeah, Kasule is setting up the pillar that they've just fixed, or they just installed.
No, j'ai some pen and have big kind of goal. One in your
family, you see what is going on here, and you see how, you know, the steel bender is doing. See what Yahya Kasule is doing. So this is the last pillar that he's gonna install for today. Okay, so Yahya Kasule is very busy, very busy today. He's very busy today, and so far he has been able to install 7 pillars, and at the same time he's able to cut all the rebars of the beams. He has cut all the irons for the beams, and tomorrow when he comes, he will install 1, 2 pillars. Right after that, then he will start to fix the beams here and here, you know, and all the spaces that he's supposed to fix. So when this is done, then the mason would come out. But no, when this is done, Yahya Kasule has to make an iron mat on top of this for more reinforcement before the mason will come and then cast the concrete on the top and just make it like, you know, flat for the next stage to proceed, because all of these places will be fixed with concrete. I'm gonna have some kind of designs on these pillars which you will see later. So far so good. Everything is going on very well. I say a very big thank you to Yahya Kasule and his team, and I say a very big thank you to you, my family, and thank you for your support. Thank you for your ideas. Thank you for your contributions. And you know, thank you for your motivational words. I'm very happy about that. And you know, it's all about progress and happiness. So everything that is happening here, the end resource is what we're waiting for. Because a lot of people are waiting and can't wait to see how this project will finish. Even myself, I can't wait to see how it finish. But you know, I know it's coming to an end. It is coming to an end. As long as we are working on it every day, it's just going to an end like that. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly do me a favor. Please subscribe, like, and share more and more of my videos as you can do. On behalf of all my team and my brothers here, I say thank you so much, and may the Almighty God and the ancestors richly bless us abundantly. Thank you very much. Peace.